Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a fun video for you today. Today's haul video is going to be one of our better ones in the past. But before we get into that, if this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. But guys, if you noticed the title of this video and the thumbnail, we had somebody stealing our items at this community yard sale. So stay tuned till the end and I'll tell you about this thief. But we didn't really film too much at these community sales. I got one little bit of footage that I'll show you now. But that footage came from a church parking lot where they had people set up in town. And there were supposed to be about 30 people set up, but due to the weather, which was supposed to be really bad, nobody really got out there. But a lot of the houses in town set up, but the houses that set up, it was great. A lot of these sales, when we stopped there, we were the only ones shopping, but then a thief was there. So let's get into some of these items and show you what we found. One of the things we found was this Terry Labonte. I wanted to say it was a glass, but I think it's more like a jelly jar or something. The date on it was, there is no date on it. So yeah, I don't know. I think we paid like $1/4 for this. We figured it was a cool item. If it doesn't sell, I will use it as a pencil holder for my office. You guys know we love Tupperware. We love selling Tupperware, and these Tupperware pieces usually sell pretty well for us. Now at $1 a piece, I don't like usually doing that. I like getting them a little cheaper, but since it is a matching set, I figured for $2 it was well worth the pickup because these go for about $10 to $15 for the set. Guys, we got some tech decks here. This is a pack of 6 boards included with the skates, with the wheels, all that stuff to customize them. And it has authentic licensed graphics on these two. Pretty cool item here. I think we paid like $3 for this. It's a pretty good item, especially with Christmas coming up. So brand new, sealed, and it's a pretty cool item. Tech decks are really popular with kids in school, so I think this is gonna pretty much not stay here that long. We were also able to pick up 2 kids jerseys here, guys. You know we love picking up kids jerseys. Kids jerseys sell phenomenal for us, especially local teams, especially with Pittsburgh, even some other teams too, which we showed in a previous video where we picked up some other NFL teams. These 2 jerseys we've actually sold in the past, so these will not stick around long. We have a Sidney Crosby right here. It's a Reebok. It is a size youth child 4'7", and we also have this Ben Roethlisberger Nike jersey here. It's a size medium. Both are in super good shape. A lady had a bunch of kids jerseys, and these are the 2 that we picked out. There was a couple other ones I wish I could have got a little bit cheaper, or I would have picked them up, but we paid $5 each for these ones, and I'm very comfortable paying that price because I know that these do sell fast, and they will not be in these bins long. So the other 2 pieces of clothing we were actually able to pick up was this Stanford shirt. It is a Russell Athletics shirt here. It is a size XL. But we paid a grand total of $1/4 for it. So I figured, hey, I could probably make a couple bucks on this. So I'm going to pick it up and see what we can do. It has a nice little cracking on there, which actually puts a nice look to the shirt. So really nice shirt. And yeah, we'll see how this one moves. We were also able to pick up this brand new Universal Studios quarter zip, or half zip actually. Size small, let me see. But it's brand new with the tags. The tags are $62. So really nice jacket here, and we paid a grand total of $1 for this. Sometimes Universal Studio stuff does not move as fast as some of the other Disney stuff from down there. Certain Universal Studio stuff sells quick, certain stuff doesn't. We'll see how this one moves. I think it might take a little bit just because of it being a size small, but I still think it's going to sell. We picked up these 3 glasses right here. We paid a grand total of $1 for all 3. I thought they were a little bit older, but now I'm not 100% sure. There is no date on these glasses, but they are pretty cool. I wish I had a date on them, so I think they might be kind of newer. So we'll see what they are. I wish it was more of the set too, but I still think they might sell, and it just won't make as much money as I thought. Like I mentioned when I started this video, guys, this community yard sale was very good. Tons of places set up. I actually think we might have bought something at almost every single yard sale. I think there might have been only like 1 or 2 where they didn't have anything or they couldn't work with a price for us for buying a lot of stuff. So I feel we did really well. Let's get into some more items. Also, we're able to pick these up. This was actually our first purchase of the day. We picked up a bunch of vintage glass fuses. Some here. Picked up these two fuses here, some 50 amps, 30, some crystal fuses. We actually have these ones listed on eBay already and these ones listed. So they do sell. I think people collect them. Maybe people still use them. If you're an electrician or know stuff about electrical, let me know if people still actually use these. But I figured for $1, I'll pick them up, give them a shot, and see what happens. Even if we sell just one set of these, we make our money back plus some. So super unique item. So we'll see how these actually do. We were also able to pick up this Pittsburgh Steelers mini helmet. I already took it to work and put it in my desk. So my wife took a picture holding it the morning that I left. So there's the picture of the mini helmet. We picked that up for a grand total of $1 These next two items are some Harley items right here. We got these Harley Davidson cover skulls. I'm not 100% sure what these go to right here. Brand new in the package. Original tag says 29 bucks. I think we paid maybe like $2.50 for these because I think we got the next one in a bundle for $5. This was the other Harley Davidson piece. This is the skull with the wings medallion on it. We got this and the other one for a grand total of $5. This one is also new in package, $14.95 is the price. Harley Davidson stuff sells. If you can find it for the right price, pick it up because it will move. We were also able to pick up this pirate journal. It's a laser etched journal, nice and pink, brand new. We picked this up for a grand total of $1. So a little dusty, but we'll clean it up, get this listed. Pirate season's about over, but if this doesn't sell, my kids will use this because they love journals. Okay, the next thing we got was this Tyco scene. We paid a grand total of $5 for this. This is super cool. It's made of Dora board construction, no tools required, and it's for use with all the train sets. So really, really awesome piece here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna take pictures of this though, because I probably have to take it out and see what it actually looks like. But $5, I figured Christmas is coming up, so this is a good piece right here. The next fun item we were able to pick up was this Canon PowerShot Pro 1 digital camera. We picked this camera up with the camera lenses that I just showed you previously. But here's the camera here. Also comes with a bunch of stuff in here. Comes with a guide. The camera is a little dusty, but I still think we're going to do well with these. These things range. The prices are all over the place. But we'll get the batteries charged up, figure out if this thing actually works, or if we're going to sell it for parts. We paid a grand total of $5 for this, or $2 maybe. This was actually cheap. I'm trying to figure out, do we have a price tag? Oh, yeah, $2 on this, buddy. So really, really good deal for this camera. This lady was just cleaning out stuff that her father left when he passed, so jumped on this stuff and figured, hey, this is a great deal. Next, we picked up some dishes. These are like a plastic dish, which I just realized that these ones and these ones are called Boomtown. So we picked up a bunch of these bowls and a bunch of these plates. And we also picked up these plates here, which are called Melmac. So I actually thought these were all the same, but now I guess they're not. But still pretty cool. Not sure how I'm going to list them. I might just list these all as individuals. So we'll see how they sell. I'll take a look on eBay to see what the best option for these is. We also paid a grand total of $1 for this whole set. We also were able to pick up this Digital Optics limited edition for a grand total of $2. It is a pretty cool case. Let's see if I can open it up with one hand. There we go. It looks like it is some titanium Digital Optics limited edition. It looks like lenses. Pretty cool. The lady we bought this from, actually her dad collected a ton of stuff. So for $2, some of the prices range a lot on these. So we'll see what this actually sells for. So keep your eyes peeled for a what sold video to see when this one does sell. Because I'm kind of interested to see what this one does on eBay. So really good shape. I'm not even sure they were ever used. Might just clean them up a little bit, throw some cleaner on them. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And for $2, a really cool pickup. One of the other things we were able to pick up was this lot of Squishmallows. I know, guys, this is the second video where we actually picked up some Squishmallows. So all these are brand new with tags. Some of these, like this one, will be listed soon since Halloween's coming up. But yeah, there's a couple Halloween ones. This is the one that caught my attention, though. This is an actual book bag. They had $10 on this one. A lot of these were like $3 to $4. When it all came down to it, she wanted about $50 for the lot. I ended up paying about $40, which I should be able to make that back just on this alone, and all these will just be pure profit. I paid a little bit more than I wanted to, but a lot of times I don't mind picking them up now whenever they're brand new with tags. So we'll see how I do with this lot. So one of the more unique items we picked up at the sale was this metal Bible. I've never seen one of these before, and the person had it. I offered them $1 for it, and they took it. And I don't think it's worth too much. We might be able to get $5, $6 for this. It may actually end up keeping it too, because it actually is pretty cool. What's also even cooler was it came with this picture in it. Magnet sticking there. It came with this old family picture in here. So this old family picture may even actually sell too. And the Bible actually looks pretty new. So in really good shape. The case does show some wear, but with it being metal like that, I kind of expected that. So for $1, I don't think we're gonna make much on it, or we'll just keep it for ourselves. So the next couple things, guys, we picked up, you should not be shocked. We love Disney, and we picked up some more Disney stuff. I kind of wish we would have had some of this stuff before we went to Disney recently, but let's show you what we got. So we were able to pick up these 2 hats here. This nice Walt Disney World hat here. Really, really clean. It's the authentic, original Disney Parks hat. Yeah, but it doesn't really show any signs of use for that one. Then we have this mini hat, which I'm going to take the lint roller to. It does have some little fuzz on it, but yeah, cool mini hats here. We paid $1 total for both of these. So really, really good deals there, and I think these will sell. I think these are good hats, and Disney stuff really moves for us pretty well. We were also able to pick up this Walt Disney World tote bag. This thing actually has a little bit of weight to it. Actually, it's a really, really nice bag. The graphics really cool with the Mickey with the D, the Winnie the Pooh eye. Then you got Goofy, Donald, Tigger, and Pluto. Yeah, or Pluto and the Tigger. So it's a really, really cool bag. Walt Disney World. It's got a couple zippers, but a really nice tote bag, especially if you're going to the park. So, or even for your daily use if you're not in the park. So we were also able to pick up these hats at one of the stops. We ended up paying $5 for both of these. And actually, this one just sold for $17 plus shipping. So this one I don't think will stick around long. A lot of people like this black on black. I am not a huge fan of it, but it's still a nice hat. Steeler season here, even though they didn't start out so hot, still going to do pretty well with these. So already made a profit on this selling this one for $17. And guys, the last item we picked up at this sale was this Great American Express train set. This is from, I think, 1970 something. If I remember, there was a date on it. New Bright Industries, but I thought there was a date. But we picked this up for $5. They wanted to get rid of it. And honestly, it looks like everything is in here. Main car, coal car, some tracks. The new Magic Touch infrared control center right here. But this train looks like it even has some instructions and another car here. Plastic's a little damaged here, but man, this thing looks great. And the sold comps on this are even better. This is honestly one of those items that's just gonna have to be listed really quickly because people want this stuff for Christmas. They want to put these under their Christmas tree. They want to set this stuff up. And honestly, this is a pretty awesome train set. And if it doesn't sell, this one's going up at my house somewhere because we like trains and we like setting this stuff up, and the kids like doing this stuff around the holidays. So really, really good item there. But guys, I know this is the part you've been waiting for about the thief. Let's show you this clip.
All right there, ladies. Thank you for the deal.
Are you going to get it?
Yeah, what's it say?
So I say he's a thief, but he's actually a really close family friend of ours. We go to church with him. We actually go golfing. We go over to his house, and everybody hangs out as a family. He just started reselling about a year ago and told me to let him know whenever there's a sale going on around us, and he'd go with us. So told him about this community sale. He came out. Me and my daughter went out also, and we had a blast thrifting together. We were out there for about 4 hours total and just completely crushed it. Like I mentioned previously in this video about how we bought something at every sale. Now, I might not have bought something at every sale, but at least one of us did. This was that great. So the only 3 people at a lot of these sales were just me, him, and my daughter, and we just completely crushed it. Now, like I said, he was stealing my items. There was a couple items that he took that he bought that I would have bought if he wasn't there. One was a Nintendo Wii. One was also this baby food blender thing. It was brand new. He definitely worked some deals. He definitely did good, and he probably got about the same amount of stuff that I did. If you want to see some of the items that he bought that he has for sale, I'm going to link his eBay store down below. Like I said, he just started about a year ago and is just doing this for fun. It's just fun for him. So go check it out. You might find an item that you like and tell him I sent you. It was just really cool sourcing with him because there was items that I would pick up that he wouldn't. But there was also items he picked up that I wouldn't. So it was neat to see what he picks up, and it was cool for him to see what I pick up. Just knowing stuff that sells, just like that train set that I just showed you, and some of the other things that he thought wouldn't sell, but they actually do. So guys, remember, subscribe, comment, share, like, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.